Simple pendulum. A simple pendulum can be made by a small bob of mass m tied to an inextensible massless string of length L. The other end of the string is fixed to a support in the ceiling. The bob oscillates in a plane about the vertical line through the support. This periodic motion is simple harmonic for small displacements from the mean position. Theta is the angle made by the string with the vertical. When the bob is at the mean position, theta is equal to 0. There are only two forces acting on the bob given by the tension T along the string, the vertical force due to gravity. The force mg can be resolved into the component mg cos theta along the string and mg sin theta perpendicular to it. Torque tau about the support is entirely provided by the tangential component of force given by theta is equal to minus L mg sin theta. For the system, angular frequency is given by omega is equal to under root mgl upon I, and time period is given by t is equal to under root I upon mgl. Since the string of the simple pendulum is massless, the moment of inertia I is simply ml square. Now, time period of a simple pendulum is t is equal to under root L by g.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.